how you doing?
Great.
Okay.
What do you want me to say?
Oh, I don't know. I'm just interviewing people.
Hey, I'm totally.
Yeah, how are you feeling?
I'm totally okay with like bad hair and a bathing suit in front of all these people. It's awesome.
Can I pan down and get some of your cleavage in here?
Oh my gosh, if you must. Now I feel like I'm doing an audition.
I feel fabulous. How's my hair? It's adorable.
Thank you. You want to borrow it anytime, just call me. Hold on. Deb, hold on. Let me get my shoes.
How am I feeling?
Yeah, it's really good. It's out of my first It's a real good one.
I don't know.
Now, when you say personal selection, do you mean the...
How do you feel?
Oh. I'm terrified. I'm honestly terrified because I don't know hardly any of my lines.
I don't buy it.
I don't believe it.
And remember, cute sells, girls, so smile away.
How are you feeling?
Fantastic. Thanks for asking.
Oh, you're welcome.
I feel good, and I just want to say that I love everybody here. And if I win, stop looking at my list. My list is very important to me.
Well, it was shaking, and so I doubt your confidence because it's shaking.
I have a fine motor tremor. Deal with it!
Oh, do you really? I'm so sorry.
I'm kidding. I'm
okay.
kidding. Feeling really, really good right now. I don't know.
Did you see the other guys in the dressing room? I saw one with his face off. I saw his Winky. Nice. I was still doing with you girls. He could just put it in the back. Feel the same.
Oh my God.
Those people who told me they were coming, this is what you're missing out on. I hope what you were doing instead was worth it.